Today we will study the topic benzene and the method of preparation of the benzene that comes from the hydrocarbon chapter from the class 11 organic chemistry, right? That have 5th to 6th method of preparation of the benzene, in which the first method of preparation from alkynes, in which we would take ethyne CH triple bond CH, that is the ethyne, and it is passed in red hot Fe tube. That means we would take iron tube, and iron tube will be heated at the very high temperature until it become too much red. The tube color become so much red, so that when we pass the ethyne into the Fe tube, iron tube, it will become benzene. It will become benzene, and that is the most famous method of preparation for the benzene in the laboratory methods and in the industries. Right? The second method of preparation from alkanes, in which we would take n-hexane, normal hexane. In this, we will add up some reagent, Cr2O3 or V2O5. You can use Cr2O3, either V2O5, either MO2O3. It will molybdenum oxide in the presence of 5 to 3 Kelvin temperature and 10 to 20 atm pressure. That will lead to the formation of benzene. But if I will take n-heptane, and you know very well n-hexane has 6 carbon, and n-heptane has 7 carbon. We would add the same reagent, same temperature and the same pressure, then it will lead to the formation of toluene. You know very well, benzene has formula C6H6 and toluene has formula C6H5CH3, right? It has 7 carbon and it has also 7 carbon. Okay, and now we will go to the third method of preparation. The third method of preparation from phenol. Phenol is the benzene and OH group. We will add the reagent zinc dust. Zinc dust is the reagent that is help from phenol to get benzene. Number 4 method from diazonium salt. Diazonium salt is the N2 plus Cl minus on the phenyl group. We would add the reagent S3PO2, that is the hypophosphorus acid. It will remove N2 and HCl and form benzene. And the last method of preparation, from benzoic acid or sodium benzoate, right? I will take sodium benzoate, sodium COO or phenyl sodium benzoate. We would add the reagent NaOH plus CaO. This is the soda lime. We know very well NaOH is the caustic soda and CaO is the quicklime. So we will call it soda lime. It will react and here Na2CO3 will remove. Na2CO3 will remove and hydrogen will be added to the benzene or to the phenyl and it will form benzene. These are the 5 methods of preparation of the benzene. Thank you.